Hey guys, so Uthando and Siyacela Dlamuga finally replied to those who are calling out to Mojolavo to cancel Isencane Lengane because it's not teaching anyone anything. So anyway guys, so let's get to the start of today. You know, the rest of the house is on peace and for sale. Welcome to Truly Entertainment. Thanks so much for joining me. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, a comment. Happy Friday. Please take care of yourself. I love you. Anyway guys, if there's one thing you can never succeed is to convince a woman who's in love or a woman who's in a toxic relationship to live. Guys, if there's one thing Thando, guys, she has this thing yena uSiyacela was her first boyfriend or her first husband, so everything was the first, so it's hard for her to leave the relationship. And one thing was Siyacela, guys, he will forever date Amajeje. So whether you think you were his first or he was your first, it's not gonna change anything. Most of us as women have this tendency of saying, oh, he's my first, I'm not gonna leave, I'm just gonna stay in Gizobege. Something has to do with money, or maybe has to do with Uguti and he's rich or he's not. Sometimes this thing Uguti, he was my first, you do begezela, guys, and I don't blame Thando when it comes to that, but we know as women sometimes we do that mistake. So anyway guys, nangu uthi Siyacela uya reply uthi yena Siyacela mina ngizokwenza okuthanda yimina. So people are calling out Siyacela ukuthi hayi man, when you need to stop what you're doing to Thando. So uThando, guys, reply ethi mase besikhipha kuMojolove nisozondla na, meaning that guys, if you are saying uMojolove need to cancel Isencane Lengane, are you gonna pay for us? Are you gonna support us? Are you gonna feed us? Are you gonna give us job? I don't think they do want jobs, guys. They just want money. So are you willing to do some donation? Because guys, we depend on Mojolove. Isencane Lengane is paying us. Guys, if you think Uthando she will live, unfortunately she's not going anywhere. Uthando uzohlala, guys, abekezele. The next wife she's gonna come naye uzobana that thing ukuthi I'm also special. So guys, it's difficult land. Uthando she's not going anywhere. uSiyacela she will continue doing whatever he wants. So guys, there's nothing we can do. uSiyacela no Thando, guys, let's just take them as those cousins, you know, your in-laws, right? I need to your in-laws. You cannot live without them because they give you a husband, you know, type of situation. I hope you understand, guys. It's not that deep. Just accept them as your cousin because your father and their father are brothers. You're just gonna meet them twice a year. That's how it is, guys. So the only way is just to accept Siyacela and Thando. There's nothing we can do. Family members who are like these guys, they are sitting in a relationship that you all can see what this person, she's going through a lot, but there's nothing you can do. All you need to do is to accept until they decide to walk away. So anyway guys, it is what it is from Siyacela and Thando. Time when you see Thando complaining on social media, you remember what she once say basoldlani if they cancel Isencane Lengane, guys. It is what it is. Anyway guys, don't forget to subscribe, to like, a comment. Happy Friday. Please take care of yourself. I love you. Bye.